Goldman Sachs just reported 300 million jobs will vanish by 2027. That is not speculation. That is their official research. McKinsey data shows 375 million workers globally face displacement within 36 months. Your job is on that list. Accounting roles are first. AI processes 94% of financial documents now. IBM fired 8,000 employees last month. Not because of budget cuts, because automation replaced them. Customer service is next. 45,000 call center positions disappear monthly. Companies deploy AI chatbots handling 89% of inquiries. No human needed. Paralegal work is collapsing fastest. Legal tech companies automate document review 12 times faster than humans. Firms like Baker McKinsey cut 22% of support staff. Your salary is vulnerable right now. Check your job title against automation benchmarks today. The window to reskill closes fast. Like and subscribe for more. Zero input AI every day.